everyone, welcome back to Make Gaming Easy. In this video, I'll show you some quick and easy steps on how to make a dot crosshair in Valorant. So without any further ado, let's get started. Launch Valorant and click on the gear icon in the top right corner to access the settings menu. In the settings menu, select the crosshair tab. Choose a crosshair profile that you want to modify or create a new one. Under the primary section, turn off both show inner lines and show outer lines to remove any existing crosshair lines. Toggle center dot to on. Set the center dot size and center dot opacity to your preference. A common starting point is size 2 and opacity 1. Choose a color that stands out against most backgrounds. Green, red, or cyan are popular choices for visibility. If desired, enable outline and adjust its opacity and thickness to make the dot more visible against various backgrounds. And that's how you can make a dot crosshair in Valorant.